These machines are mighty, standing toe-to-toe with the industry giants, and are ready to pioneer the future. Shantui high-power bulldozers boast the power to change the world and provide the driving force for the development of a win-win future for customers. China's mighty machines push forward towards tomorrow. The combination of strength and reliability is the predominant quality of Shantui high-horsepower bulldozers. The world-class R&D and manufacturing capability of Shantui manifests itself in Shantui's structural parts, drive parts, and chassis parts, and in the reinforced design in critical portions of large-size structural parts. Electric and hydraulic parts from renowned high-end brands. Modular design for easy disassembly, installation, and maintenance. Integrating Shantui's core advantages with world-leading technologies has led to the building of reliable and strong high-horsepower bulldozers. Multiple advanced technologies, including Cummins electronic control intercooled engine, an advanced thermal management system with thermostatic fan technology, a load sensing control system, and locking torque converter, provide Shantui high horsepower bulldozers with a high level of energy efficiency and productivity. Challenging tasks produce outstanding performances. Only by challenging the limits can we know the value of strength. In extreme temperatures and in extreme conditions such as deserts and highlands, these machines operate fearlessly. The powerful working capability is suitable for many complicated working conditions, ready to provide value. With strong power and massive bucket capacity, an 18 cubic meter bucket for SD52.5 and 16 cubic meter bucket for SD42.3 respectively. Each blade's capacity can individually fill a heavy-duty truck. The high-strength ripper can be a substitute for blasting to easily crush stones, as 6 hours of operation for the SD52.5 and 8 hours of operation for the SD42.3 is equivalent to the burst size of 1 ton of TNT. Strong adaptability and durability. The hinged undercarriage reduces the impact of heavy workloads on the drive parts and protects core parts. The floating type traveling technology reduces the vibrations of the machine and improves the ground traction of the tracks, allowing the bulldozer to climb over road obstacles more easily and better adapt to adverse working conditions. The all-round ergonomic design greatly improves work efficiency. The advanced FOPS cab boasts excellent sealing and noise reduction, providing an excellent driving environment. The working devices utilize a pilot control mode, featuring high sensitivity and easy operation. The large screened color display operator interface enables convenient reading of the automatic fault detection device. With robust capability and outstanding performance, Shantui high horsepower bulldozers have been proven on numerous large-scale projects. The footprints of their achievements are spreading across the world. As seen in the Americas, Europe, Africa, the Middle East, and so on, Shantui high horsepower bulldozers are undertaking heavy responsibilities around the world, made in China and serving the world. Through endless innovation, the 900 horsepower SD90-5 China's Kong was created and is the pinnacle of Chinese bulldozer craftsmanship. Shantui's comprehensive service system provides timely and personal service for users. Shantui's sales and service network boasts 150 distributors domestically and reaches 150 countries and regions globally. So Shantui is wherever you are. Shantui's global service network provides timely service, delivery service, and for the first time, a year-round, unlimited working hours warranty. Anytime, anywhere service. Maximum support is concentrated on every single machine. Shantui guarantees unremitting innovation and value creation for our partners. Shantui, value that works.